Laura Anthony, founding partner of Legal and Compliance, a full-service corporate securities and business transactions law firm. Today is the continuation in a LawCast series talking about the NASDAQ listing requirements. The NASDAQ application package includes a symbol reservation form, the listing application itself, which requires supplemental documents, the listing agreement, the corporate governance certification, the initial application fee payable via check or wire transfer, and a logo submission form. Today I will give a brief summary of each of the forms other than the listing application itself, which I will pick up in the next LawCast in this series. All the application forms are completed online at the NASDAQ Listing Center. The online platform allows for uploading supplemental and supporting documents. All of the forms should be reviewed in advance and the requisite information readily available before submitting the application. The symbol reservation form is a one-page fill-in electronic form. NASDAQ symbols must be 1 to 5 characters in length. The symbol reservation form requests 3 symbol choices in order of preference. Although NASDAQ will likely give the first choice if available, it has full authority to assign, rescind, or reassign a trading symbol at any time. In addition to the symbol choice, the symbol reservation form includes additional basic information regarding the company and the planned public offering, including, for example, the name of the attorney, lead underwriter if applicable, names of the CEO and CFO, yearly revenues, the company website, and the company sector. The listing agreement is a simple 2-page agreement affirming the company's agreement to comply with all rules and regulations of the NASDAQ stock market and indemnifying and holding NASDAQ harmless from liability. In particular, a listed company holds NASDAQ harmless and agrees to indemnify the exchange from any liability resulting from third-party trademark infringement claims related to the company's symbol and logo and NASDAQ's use of same. In addition, the listing agreement contains a disclaimer of warranty and liability against NASDAQ for trading issues other than those resulting from gross negligence or willful misconduct. The corporate governance certification certifies compliance with the corporate governance requirements. Where an exemption applies, the form requires specification of the exemption terms. The form specifies the different rules and exceptions in a check-the-box format. The logo submission form contains the guidelines for the logo and affirms NASDAQ's right to use the logo. NASDAQ uses company logos in its own marketing materials, on the market site video wall and tower, and on its websites. The NASDAQ Capital Markets charges a non-refundable application fee of $5,000. Entry fees are based upon the aggregate number of shares to be listed at the time of the initial listing, regardless of class, with a maximum listing fee of $75,000. The entry fee is assessed on the date of entry to the NASDAQ Capital Market. NASDAQ also charges annual fees based on the company's total shares outstanding. I'm securities attorney Laura Anthony, founding partner of Legal and Compliance and producer of LawCast. Should you have any questions about today's topic, please visit securitieslawblog.com and lawcast.com or contact me directly. Inquiries of a technical nature are always encouraged.